Step 1. Remove the plastic covering from the bottle. Step 2. Draw 2 dots on the bottle that will act as the eyes of the pig. Step 3. Cut a leaf-shaped cutout from the colored paper. Step 4. Attach the cutout onto the bottle using tape as if it were an ear. Step 5. Repeat steps 3 and 4. Step 6. Cut a small circle from the colored paper the size of the bottle cap. Step 7. Draw 2 lines on the small circle. Step 8. With the use of glue or paste, attach the small circle onto the bottle cap. Step 9. Cut out a small spiral from the colored paper. Step 10. Attach the small spiral to the bottom of the bottle with the use of tape or glue. Now that you have finished your bottled piggy bank, you can use this bottle as an alternative wallet, or you can use this as a secondary way to store money.